Exercise 21A. Prove the following identities. Question number 1. Prove that sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. So the LHS equal to sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1. We have a reciprocal relation sec A equal to 1 by cos A. So we have to use this relationship instead of sec A here. Then our LHS will become 1 by cos A minus 1, put it in a bracket, divided by, instead of this sec also we are writing 1 by cos A plus 1. So here this is 1 equal 1 by 1, here also 1 by 1, cross multiplication. So we will get a 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into cos A divided by cos A into 1, that is cos A, whole divided by 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into cos A equal to cos A divided by cos A into 1, cos A. So here cos A got to cancel. Then we will get 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A, which is equal to the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 2. Prove that 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A equal to cosec A plus 1 divided by cosec A minus 1. LHS 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Reciprocal relationship for sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. Sin A equal 1 by cosec A. So our LHS will become, LHS is equal to 1 plus, instead of sin A, 1 by cosec A. Put it inside a bracket, whole divided by 1 minus sin A, instead of sin A, 1 by cosec A. So 1 means 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Cross multiplying, we will get cosec A into 1 cosec A plus 1 into 1 1 divided by 1 into cosec A whole divided by cosec A into 1 cosec A minus 1 into 1 1 whole divided by 1 into cosec A cosec A got cancelled. Then cosec A plus 1 divided by cosec A minus 1, which is equal to the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 3. Prove that 1 by tan A plus cot A equal to cos A into sin A. So LHS equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. We have the quotient relationship for tan A equal to sin A divided by cos A and cot A equal to cos A divided by sin A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. And we have to substitute this relationship instead of this tan A and cot A. Now our LHS will become 1 by, instead of tan A, sin A divided by cos A, plus instead of cot A, cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Now 1 divided by cross multiplication, sin A into sin A, that is sin square A plus cos A into cos A, that is cos square A whole divided by cos A into sin A, that is cos A sin A. Now 1 by, we have the relationship for sin square A plus cos square A, that is square relationship for sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Substitute this value here. So we will get 1 by 1 whole divided by cos A into sin A. Now this term will move to numerator. So cos A into sin A, which is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Question number 4. Prove that tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sin A cos A. So LHS equal to tan A minus cot A. And we have tan A is equal sin A by cos A and cot A equal to cos A by sin A. And we have to use this relationship here. Instead of tan A, sin A by cos A minus, instead of cot A, cos A divided by sin A. Cross multiplication, sin A into sin A, sin square A minus cos A into cos A, cos square A whole divided by cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Now we have the square relationship as sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So we will get sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. Now instead of this sin square A, we have to substitute 1 minus cos square A. So our equation will become 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. Now 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. So we will get 2 cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A, which is also equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sin A into cos A, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, proved. Question number 5. Sin raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. That is what we have to prove. So we have the LHS equal to sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a. We can write the sine raised to 4 as sine square a whole square minus cos raised to 4a as cos square a whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of a square minus b square, and we have a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we have a is equal sine square a and b is equal cos square a. Now a plus b, that is sine square a plus b means cos square a. Cos square a, put inside a bracket. Now again instead of a, sine square a. Sine square a minus 4b cos square a. Now sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1 into sine square a minus cos square a. Because we have sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So that this sine square a plus cos square of a, instead of this term substitute I put 1 here. Then remaining term sine square a minus cos square a. From this equation we will get cos square a equal to 1 minus sine square a. Then this equation will become sine square a minus, instead of cos square a, 1 minus sine square a. Now sine square a minus 1 minus into minus plus sine square a. Sine square a plus sine square a, we will get 2 sine square a minus 1, which is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Question number 6. 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square equal to 2 sec square a. So here LHS equal to 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now LHS will become a minus b whole square, that is 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 into tan a plus b square, that is tan square a, plus a plus b whole square, that is 1 plus 2 into 1 into tan a plus b square, that is tan square a. Now 1 minus 2 tan a plus tan square a plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into tan a, 2 tan a plus tan square a. Here minus 2 tan a and plus 2 tan a. Minus 2 tan a plus 2 tan a got cancelled. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus tan square A plus tan square A, that is equal to 2 plus 2 tan square A. From these two terms, 2 is a common factor, so we can take 2 outside. So we will get 2 into 1 plus tan square A. From the square relationship, we have 1 plus tan square A equal to 6 square A. Substitute this value here. We will get 2 into, instead of 1 plus tan square A, that is 6 square A, which is equal to the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 7. Cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square a equal to cot raised to 4a plus cot square a. Now the LHS equal to cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square a. In these two terms, we have cosec square a as a common factor. So take it outside. Cosec square a into, here remaining term, cosec square a minus, here we have already take out cosec square a, we have already take outside. Then the remaining term is 1. This is equation number 1. Now let us take the RHS. We have RHS equal to cot raised to 4a plus cot square a. Here cot square a is a common factor, so take it outside. Cot square a, then we will get a cot raised to cot square a plus 1. Now from the square relationship, we have cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a, or cot square a equal to cosec square a minus 1. Now instead of this cot square a, we can write cosec square a minus 1 into, instead of this cot square a plus 1, we can write cosec square a. This is equation number 2. Now we can see that from our equation number 1, cosec square a into cosec square a minus 1. Here also cosec square a into cosec square a minus 1, which is equal to LHS equal to RHS. Hence we proved. Question number 8. Prove that sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a equal to 1. And from the reciprocal relationship, we have the sec a is equal to 1 by cos a, and from quotient relationship, we have tan a equal to sin a by cos a. And these two relationship we have to substitute here in the LHS part. Then our LHS part will become, instead of the sec a, 1 by cos a into 1 minus sin a into, instead of this sec a, 1 by cos a plus, instead of this tan a, sin a by cos a. Now multiply. 1 by cos a into 1, that is 1 by cos a, minus 1 by cos a into sin a, that is sin a by cos a. Bracket closed. Then 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Now here denominator is same, so we can write 1 minus sin a whole divided by cos a into, here also denominator is same, so we can write 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. So the numerator part is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we have a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then 1 square, that is 1 minus b square, that is sine square. 1 minus sine square a divided by cos a into cos a, that is cos square a. Now, from the square relationship, we have sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Then 1 minus sine square a equal to cos square a. Now we can substitute this value here. Then 1 minus sine square a will become cos square a. And as denominator cos square a. Then cos square a got cancelled. We will get the value as 1, which is equal to our RHS, hence proved. Question number 9. Prove that cosec a into 1 plus cos a into cosec a minus cot a equal to 1. So we have reciprocal relationship cosec a equal to 1 by sin a and quotient relationship cot a is equal to cos a by sin a. So we have to substitute this relationship here in the LHS part. So our LHS will become, instead of cosec a, 1 by sin a into 1 plus cos a into, instead of this cosec a, 1 by sin a minus, instead of cot a, cos a by sin a. Now multiply 1 by sin a into 1, that is 1 by sin a plus 1 by sin a into cos a, that is cos a divided by sin a. Put it inside a bracket. Then 1 by sin a minus cos a divided by sin a. Now here denominator is same, sin a, and numerator is equal to 1 plus cos a. Second term, denominator is same, that is sin a, numerator 1 minus cos a. This is also a plus b into a minus b. So we have a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Then we will get a plus b into a minus b, a square, that is 1 square, that is 1 minus b square, that is cos square a, divided by sin a into sin a, that is sin square a. Now from the square relationship we have sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, or 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square a. Now substitute this value here. 1 minus cos square a, instead of 1 minus cos square a, we will get sin square a divided by sin square a. Sin square a got cancel. Is equal to 1, which is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Question number 10. Prove that sec square a plus cosec square a equal to sec square a into cosec square a. From the reciprocal relationship, we have sec square a equal to 1, sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. Then sec square a will be equal 1 by cos square a. And we have cosec a equal to 1 by sin a. Then cosec square a will be equal 1 by sin square a. Now this relationship, two relationship, we may substitute here. Then our LHS will become Instead of 6 square A, we can write 1 by cos square A plus instead of this cos square A, we can substitute 1 by sin square A. Now, we can take cross multiplication sin square A into 1 sin square A plus cos square A into 1, that is cos square A divided by cos square A into sin square A. From the square relationship, we have sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So, we may substitute this value here. Then we will get 1 divided by cos square A into sin square A. And this term is in the form of 1 by cos square A into 1 by sin square A. Now, 1 by cos square A is equal to 1 by cos square A is equal to 6 square A. So, we can write here as 6 square A into 1 by sin square A is equal. Here 1 by sin square A equal cosec square A. So, we can write instead of 1 by sin square A, cosec square A, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, proved.